Have you ever felt stuck in life, as if your setbacks define your future? Imagine being able to turn those setbacks into the stepping stones for an extraordinary comeback. Tim Storey's book, Come Back and Beyond, dives deep into this transformation process, offering tools, stories, and inspiration to guide you from where you are to where you want to be. If you stay with me until the end of this summary, I'll share the 5 most important takeaways from the book and how you can start implementing them today to create a brighter, more fulfilling future. At its heart, Come Back and Beyond is about overcoming adversity and rediscovering the purpose and potential in your life. Tim Storey, a renowned motivational speaker and life coach, knows a thing or two about navigating tough times. He's worked with countless individuals, from everyday people to celebrities, who felt trapped by their circumstances but managed to break free and create something extraordinary. Storey shares his own experiences and blends them with universal truths to provide a roadmap for readers to follow. His practical advice is woven with deeply personal anecdotes, making the book both relatable and inspiring. Storey begins by emphasizing the importance of acknowledging the pain and challenges in our lives. He's not about sweeping issues under the rug or pretending they don't exist. Instead, he teaches readers to confront their struggles head-on. For example, he recounts stories of people who've faced unimaginable hardships, like the loss of a loved one or financial ruin. These stories illustrate that the first step to a comeback is embracing reality, no matter how messy it may be. This honest approach allows us to assess where we are and sets the stage for meaningful change. By refusing to sugarcoat reality, Storey reminds us that acceptance is not the same as defeat. It's the foundation for growth. One of the book's central ideas is the concept of the comeback zone, a transformative space where healing and growth take place. Storey describes this as a period of transition, where you move from surviving to thriving. He likens it to an athlete recovering from an injury. Just as a player must work through physical therapy and gradually rebuild their strength, we must take deliberate steps to recover from life's setbacks. Storey highlights the importance of patience and persistence during this phase, reminding us that true growth takes time but is always worth the effort. The comeback zone is where we rebuild our confidence, rediscover our strengths, and prepare for what lies ahead. A key theme in Come Back and Beyond is the power of vision. Storey argues that in order to move beyond our setbacks, we need to have a clear picture of where we're headed. This vision acts as a guiding light, pulling us forward even when the journey feels daunting. He shares an anecdote about a man who had lost everything in a business failure. Instead of giving up, the man created a vision board filled with images and words that represented his dream life. Over time, that vision became his reality. Storey encourages readers to create their own vision boards or write down their goals to keep their eyes fixed on what truly matters. Vision is not just about dreaming. It's about directing your energy and focus toward a better future. But having a vision isn't enough. Action is essential. Storey introduces the concept of little steps and emphasizes that small, consistent actions can lead to big results. He reminds readers that even the most successful people didn't achieve greatness overnight. It's the daily commitment to improvement that makes a difference. For instance, if you're looking to improve your finances, start by creating a budget or setting aside a small amount of money each week. These incremental changes build momentum and eventually lead to significant transformation. Storey's advice underscores the importance of consistency. Small steps, repeated over time, can create monumental change. Another core idea in the book is the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people. Storey refers to this as building your dream team, a group of supportive individuals who uplift, inspire, and hold you accountable. He shares a touching story about a woman who overcame addiction with the help of a supportive mentor and a group of friends who believed in her. This highlights the power of community and the role it plays in our comebacks. Storey urges readers to evaluate their current relationships and seek out those who align with their vision and values. He emphasizes that the right people can act as catalysts, propelling us forward when we might otherwise feel stuck. Faith and spirituality are also central to Storey's message. While the book isn't overly preachy, it acknowledges the role of a higher power in guiding and sustaining us through difficult times. Storey shares his own experiences with faith and how it's helped him navigate life's uncertainties. He encourages readers to lean on their spiritual beliefs, whatever they may be, as a source of strength and guidance. Faith, in Storey's view, is not about avoiding struggles, but about finding the courage to face them with hope and resilience. As the book progresses, Storey delves into the idea of going beyond the comeback. He challenges readers to think bigger, to not just settle for getting back on their feet, but to aim for a life that's truly extraordinary. This involves embracing a mindset of continuous growth and being open to new opportunities. He shares the story of a man who, after surviving a major health crisis, went on to start a nonprofit that helped thousands of others in similar situations. This beyond mindset shifts the focus from merely surviving to making a meaningful impact. Storey's philosophy encourages readers to use their experiences as fuel to create a life that is rich with purpose and joy. Now, let's talk about the 5 main takeaways from Comeback and Beyond and how you can start implementing them today. 1. Embrace your reality. The first step to any comeback is facing the truth about where you are. This means being honest with yourself about your challenges and acknowledging your feelings. Start by journaling your thoughts or talking to someone you trust about what you're going through. Remember, you can't fix what you don't face. Embracing reality allows you to lay a foundation for change and ensures that your efforts are rooted in truth. 2. Create a vision. Visualize the life you want to live. Take some time to think about your goals and dreams. Create a vision board or write a list of what you're working toward. Keep this vision somewhere you can see it daily to stay focused and motivated. When you create a vision, you give yourself a destination to strive toward, making the journey more purposeful. 3. Take small steps. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to do everything at once. Break your goals into smaller, manageable actions. Commit to 1 or 2 small steps each day that move you closer to your vision. Over time, these little steps will add up to big changes. Small steps build confidence and help you celebrate progress along the way. 4. Build your dream team. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support you. Take inventory of your current relationships and identify those who encourage your growth. Seek out mentors, friends, or community groups that align with your goals and values. Remember, the right people can make all the difference in your journey. 5. Aim beyond the comeback. Don't just settle for getting back to where you were. Think bigger and aim for a life that's truly fulfilling. Look for opportunities to grow, give back, and make a positive impact in the world. This mindset will keep you moving forward and excited about the future. Life is about more than just recovering. It's about thriving. In conclusion, Comeback and Beyond by Tim Storey is a powerful guide for anyone looking to overcome life's challenges and create a better future. It teaches us to embrace our reality, cultivate a clear vision, take consistent action, build meaningful relationships, and aim for extraordinary outcomes. By applying these principles, you can turn your setbacks into setups for a remarkable comeback. Storey's message is a reminder that no matter where you are right now, you have the power to create a new chapter filled with hope, purpose, and success. If you've made it to the end of this summary, it means you're serious about taking action and transforming your life. The full audiobook is linked in the description if you want to dive deeper into Tim Storey's insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Comment, ready for my comeback below, and I'll do my best to like each and every one of your comments. Until next time.